Dear children, today we are going to see Class 6 New NCERT Syllabus Malhar Book Lesson 5. The name of the lesson is Rahim Ke Dohe. Dohe means the poem in 2 lines consisting of more information. Here Rahim Das ji has written Doha for us. In this Doha, Rahim Das ji has explained lot of moral values that is useful for our life. Before going to that, let us know who is Rahim Das ji. Rahim Das ji is a great poet of medieval period. Also, he is a important poet of the Bhakti Kal movement. Here in this Doha, he has used bridge language, which we can say is a pure form of Hindi. There is no change in the pronunciation, but the words will have a different meaning. There will be a slight change in the words when compared to Hindi. Let us see our Dohas. First Doha, he has said that in this world, each and everything has its own importance. No other thing is considered to be low or great. Everything has its own beauty and own importance. We should not think anyone to be our inferior or anyone to be our greater. So that's what Rahim Das ji has said in his Doha. Let us see the Doha. Rahiman देखी बढ़ेन को लगू न दीजिए डारी जहाँ काम आवे सुई कहा करे तलवारी. Rahiman ji, Rahiman means Rahiman Das. Rahim Das says that Rahiman देखी बड़े को बड़े को देखकर. So seeing the big one, देखी, seeing the big one, बड़े को देखकर, seeing the big one, लगू न दीजिए ढारी. Don't ignore the small one. Don't think that the small one is inferior. लगू न दीजिए ढारी. Don't ignore the small one. For this, he has given an example like Jahan kam aave sui. Sui means needle. When a work can be done with a needle, kaha kare talwari. That work cannot be done with a sword. That's what he says. He says that even a needle is very small, the work it can do, the needle can do, cannot be done with a sword. Same thing. A work that is done with a sword cannot be done with a needle. So he says that each and everything has its own importance. From this Doha, we learned that we should not feel anyone is inferior to us or anyone is greater to us. Also, each thing has its own beauty. So we'll go to the second one. In the second Doha, Rahim Das ji says that the wealth we have saved is to be have to save others. That is paropakar, par plus upakar. We have to help others. In this thing, we have to act like a nature. See here, taruvar fal nahi kaat hai. That is tree. Taruvar is tree. Fal. It is not eating its own fruit. तरुवर फल नहीं कात है. कात is खाती है. तरुवर इसका फल नहीं खाती है. तरुवर फल नहीं खात है. Sarvar, like that pond. A pond is not drinking its own water. Sarvar पियहि न पान. पान is पानी. पियहि पीते है न पानी. It is not drinking its own water. कहीं रहीम पर काज हित. So Rahiman ji says that पर काज दूसरों के काम के लिए, in behalf of others, hit is welfare. So for the welfare of others, Sampati Sajahi Sujan. Sujan is a great people, knowledgeable people, scholars. Sampati Sajahi. Sajahi is to save the Sampati, that is wealth. They save the wealth, that is the knowledge, and they give the knowledge to the others. Like nature, they are also giving the knowledge to others, giving the wealth to others. Like that great people, we are also to do help to others. We should always help others. That is what Rahim Das ji says here. See the third one. Rahiman daga prem kha mat thodo chidkhai. Tote se fir na mile gat pari jai. In this doha, he says about the importance of love. If a love or affection gets break, it cannot be reunited as before. Here, he is comparing the love with a thread. Rahiman daga prem kha. So a love is a thread here. Mat thodo is to break. Mat thodo, don't break it. Chitka is at once, at a sudden moment, quick moment. So at a quick moment, don't break it. So suddenly you should not break a love. So here suddenly means angrily or without being believing or using very hard words towards them. So Rahiman Daka prem ka mat thodo chidkai. So suddenly you should not break it. Tote se fir na mile. If you break it, you cannot get it back. Tote se fir na mile. Mile ghat pari jai. You cannot get it back. Though you get it back, mile ghat pari jai. Ghat is a knot. Pari jai, pad jata hai. There will be a knot in the thread. The affection is not as before. There will be a knot there. There will be the thread will not be smooth as before. There is a knot over there. Maybe it is somewhat discomfort in the affection. So here what he says is mat thodo chidkai. So don't break the love. Have the love as it is. So we'll see the next one. Rahiman pani rakhiye binu pani sab soon. Pani gaye na ubhrai moti manish chun. Here in this doha, Rahiman says about the importance of water. Without water, everything is soon, that is deserted, that is empty. We all know that. Rahiman pani rakhe. What Rahiman says here is pani rakhiye. Save water, conserve water always. Binu pani, because without water, binu pani is bina pani. Binu pani, sab soon. Everything is deserted without water. And also in this doha, he gives other meaning for pani, that is water. He says that pani gaye, if the water is left, if the water is not there, gaye, it is gone. Na ubhrai. Ubhrai is to raksha karna, samprashan karna, save karna. So if the water has not been saved, pani gaye, the water will go off. Here also he says that moti manush chun. Moti is a pearl which has its beauty in the drop of water that is inside the moti. So without that drop of water, that pearl is a waste. Here the drop of water inside the pearl is said to be the chamak, that abha, that is beauty. So the beauty of the pearl lies in the drop of water it has in it. So we have to save the water. Also for Manush. Manush is human being. For human being, Pani is nothing but the self-respect he has. Without self-respect, a human being is nothing. So always a human being tend to have that self-respect with him. And chun is atta, the flour you have. Without water, the atta is nothing. With water only we can make the atta into a eatable thing. So in this doha, he says about the importance of water, and also he compares three things, that is moti, manish and chun, which has its value in water. We see the next doha. Rahiman bipathahu bhali jo thore din hoy hit anhit ya jagat mein jani bharat sab khoi. In this doha, Rahiman ji says that bipatahu, that is calamity, disaster, is very good. He says that a disaster for you, a calamity, a difficult situation for you is very good. because it is going to stay with you only for few days. But in that few days, we can understand the people who is good for you and who is bad for you. That's what he says here. Rahiman, bipatahu bali. Bali is good. Bipatahu is calamity. That is bad situation. That is difficult situation. Rahiman says that the difficult situation is good for you. Jo tore din hoy. Tore is tode. That is few days. It will be. Jo tore din hoy. It will be only for few days. Yit, hit, anhit. Hit is welfare. Anhit is downfall. Ya jagat mein. So who is the well-wisher and who is not? We can understand in this small period of time. Jani bharat sab koi. Jaan padta hai sab mein. In all these people, that people with you, we can understand who is the well-wisher and who is not during this difficult situation. Rahiman bipatahu bhali. He says that the difficult situation is very good and which is going to stay with you only for few days. And in that few days, you can understand the people around you. Hit anhit ya jagat mein, which is good and which is bad for you in this world. Jani bharat sab koi. Everyone can understand those people. So we'll see the next one. Rahiman jihuwa bhavari kahi gai sarag pathal. Apu to kahi bhitar rahi juti kaat kapal. Actually, this is a very interesting doha. He says about the importance of tongue we have, importance of word we utter. He says that we have to be very careful with the words we say, because we have been calculated with the words we utter. He says that Rahiman jihuwa bhavri. The tongue is a bhavri. Bhavri is nothing but pagal. That is crazy. He says that a tongue is very crazy. Kahi gai sarag patal. Patal is pathal, deep into the earth. Sarag is swarg. It says ulta seedha words. It says whatever it wants to. Kahi gai sarag padal. And the words goes to the swarg and also to the patal. Apu to kahi bhitar rahi. Apu is self. After saying all these, apu to, what the tongue is doing, bhitar rahi, it is getting inside our mouth. It is going into our mouth. Apu to kahi bhitar rahi. So after doing all this, it is calmly staying inside our mouth. But what happens here? Juti khat. Juti khat is to get beatings. Kapal is head. The head is getting beatings. What he means here is the tongue says whatever it wants, but the result is being suffered by the head. That is, the person is suffering from all this that is said by the tongue. So a person should have control in his own tongue. That is what Rahiman wants to be. We'll see the last one. Kahi rahim sampati saghe banat bahut bahurit bibati kasauti je kase dehi sache meet. Kahi rahim. Rahim Das ji कहते हैं कि sampati saghe. Sampati is wealth. Saghe is the people who are all with you. Banat bahut bahurit. Reet is manner. So the people will come and combine with you in different manners if you have wealth. Sampati saghe banat bahut bahurit. Bibati kasauti je kase. So bibati is again the calamity, the difficult situation. Kasauti je kase. Bhure samay mein. That is in the bad situation. It is in a very difficult situation. That is in a bad situation. Tehi. Tehi means वो साथ है. Tehi sache meet. Sache mitra. That he is the true friend. One who is with you in a difficult situation. His is your true friend. Not the people who come and joins with you when you have wealth. The real friend is one who is with you even in your difficult situation. That is what Rahim Das ji says here. Children, Rahim Das ji's name is Abdur Rahim Khan Khana. We say in short as Rahim Das ji. Children, these dohas are very important. Up to your higher standards, they will be asking these dohas again and again. So understand these dohas very much. read it again and again. If possible, by heart this dohas also, which will be very useful for you. Hope you enjoyed these dohas. Thank you, children.